Hello, friends. Welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So here with the stock market update. I will discuss the Nifty chart, and before that, I will discuss some important news and some important stock market scenario and all about the stock market in one video. And to know the level of the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index update and stock market update. So I will start the video with some important data came in the last week, but after that I will discuss in detail of the stock market scenario, stock market crash which is happening since last 5 months, and after that we'll discuss. Of course, we'll discuss levels, but as seeing the stock market crash levels are, it's like going to be like not that much relevant. We have to think something beyond that. So all that I will discuss in detail. So stay connected, and let me first discuss first the data, then I will come to the uh, these US market index. तो लास्ट वीक में द इंडिया Q3 जीडीपी डाटा के Q3 का जीडीपी डेटा आया है, विच इज Q3 जीडीपी ग्रोथ इज नाउ at 6.2%, and the estimation was 6.3%. As I'm talking about the estimation, that is from CNBC. So the estimation was 6.3%, of course, but the growth is at 6.2%. If we compare it with the last quarter, Q on Q, it was in since last 2 3 quarter it was less is from this time, and it was 5.4% in last quarter, last Q2. And if we compare Y on Y, it was 8.6%. That 5.4% say now we have come to the 6.2%. And if we talk about, we just spoke about Y on Y also, and GVA growth is of course 6.8% from 6.2%, and the agriculture growth is 1.5%. So overall, the important thing is that GDP growth has increased, and which is a good relief for the stock market. But as see, and I'm seeing the market, reading the market, no good news is working for the market nowadays. Like we see, in every good news there is no reaction, and on bad news there is a big reaction. I don't know what is happening, and all are like worrying about this big crash. I will discuss in chart first of all, but let me first come to the important US market index. And you can see the Dow Jones is now last Friday it was 1.39% up, and the S&P 500 is 1.5, around 1.59% up, and the Nasdaq is also good at 1.6%. Overall, it was positive on Friday, but before that it was negative. But ठीक है, it's okay. On Friday it was good closing, and this was the overall scenario of the US market. And this definitely affecting our Indian market also. So we can see here some more important thing we should see, which is currency. Currency में if we see क्या चल रहा है, that you can see here the USD INR. Now USD INR reached at again 87 point around 5%. It was LTP, but a high we see it is 87.54. Yes, 87.5. थोड़ा सा it slightly came down in last week, reached at 86 around, but again it is rising. Means Indian rupees actually at its low level, we can say all time low. And all time low, I guess it was around 88 point something. But yes, it, near about trading at all time low, the Indian rupees against the dollar. Means dollar is becoming stronger, it is strengthening. So ये जो अपना rupees है, this is actually going down, falling, and that is not a good news. As I always keep discussing about the USD and INR, and it is lowering, and it is actually continuously falling. Uh, even discussed that it should not go beyond 90, but still it is at 87.5, which is not a good sign. And if we discuss all the, this was important reason that USD INR. So if we discuss all the reason what is happening in this crash, why the market is not ready to take U-turn, or not recovering, continuously falling. So some important reason, just as we all know, if you are watching the market, you definitely you are knowing that in market it is continuously 5 month, means fall, means continuously 5 months from September end, or October, November, December, January, February. It's 5 months consecutively the market is falling. Not in even any 1 month it has shown a good recovery or any positive sign. Even what month I'm talking about, week also, even in no week is looking any good, it's not giving any good week to us. No green candle. Even I, if I go to the day, even day maybe एक भी candle green नहीं दिखाई दे रही है, means it's just like a nightmare. But but important thing, what is the reason actually? If I discuss the reason, always I keep discussing USD INR, the one reason. Second, FII is heavy outflow. Maybe they are selling India and buying China, and number two, FII is selling, and number three is of course tariff war, trade war, or we can say uh, ट्रम्प टैरिफ. ट्रम्प टैरिफ एक बहुत ही बड़ा फियर बना हुआ है इन द मार्केट. एंड दैट्स व्हाट अ गुड, मतलब मीन्स मार्केट डजंट लाइक अनसर्टेनिटी, एंड देयर इज अ अनसर्टेनिटी अबाउट द tariff, about India, and even they have imposed in Mexico and Canada, I guess. And now again maybe extra tariff on China also. So all these news is like market is very uncertain, and it is giving trigger to Indian market also. And US market also is not doing very good. In last Thursday, Wednesday, it was also was closed in red. But yes, yeah, Friday what is little bit in green. But yes, that is also not that good, and that is affecting Indian market also. So these all scenario always keep discussing, and this is going to happen again. Now we have one new thing is coming up, that is the Q4. Q4 is going to start from April, or that we have to watch that ki how the Q4 is means the Q4 earning is performing, how the Q4 results are coming. We have to see all these things. But before that, till March end, I think we have to suffer with this scenario and this negativity. And I guess like it is still going to continue in next week, or even this month also. But yes, one important thing, that you have to be patient, that I always keep saying. uh, I will go to the, definitely I will go to the chart, then I will discuss all the. So this was the overall stock market scenario, stock market news, we can say कि चल क्या रहा है लास्ट 5 month को तो छोड़ दो. I will talk about last week also. But yes, what is happening last week also, I made this descending triangle and showed you it was here, and showed you this is a very important support. You can see it earlier also, here it has taken a resistance. So it was a very important support, which was 22,800. 22,800 it was saving since this time. And it was 24 January. And from here again, so many days it was actually sustaining here, respecting this support. But last week the gap down happened, and the market closed below this. this level, and this level is 22,500 and 22,500 2 3 4 days it has taken support. But last Thursday, or I guess yes, Thursday, it it closed here 22,500 around. But on Friday, this you can see how big candle it is. It was sharp fall around, I guess, from here to 500 450 to 22,000, even 100 22,450 से मतलब we can say कि 300 400 का 300 around 300 point का fall even on one day only, on Friday only, happened. Of course, 22,000 is a psychological support, but earlier, even in my last video, you can see uh, I have given the 21,800 support. 21,800 support. I see very good support, as you see here. Here it has closed above this support. Here it has taken support. Here one to see how many time it has sustained at this support and taken a reversal. That's what that's what important to notice, that we this level I am taking very seriously. Still I'm hoping for that it should not break, but don't know market is what going to do, as market is looking very very means going in a very negative scenario. So we still I will stick with this 21,800. But yes, if that 21,800 hasn't broken, then this support, the last this one 21,300, or then 21,000, this 21,300 around will be a next support. 21,300. Okay, so 21,300 I'm not going now. I'm holding this support and want it, that market nifty 50 should also hold. But we have to watch it in next week, then I can say if it's breaking this I will update. But yes, 21,800 is an important support, as I have shown you here all the support, all this support. So this is all scenario happening in the nifty 50, and this is the descending triangle pattern breakdown already happened in this week, ob with gap up, sorry, gap down. This descending triangle pattern breakdown is already happened, and here now it is heading toward this 21,800, as just I discussed all these 21,800 support. Now nifty 50 level, we can say support can be 21,800. So Nifty 50 support for next week can be 21,800, and yes, resistance is very far, and now it has become the 22,500 is now has become the resistance. Now let's discuss the bank nifty also. What is happening there? There also I have drawn these line, which is very important, as I have shown you this important support, which is 47,000 around 47 से थोड़ा नीचे ही है. But yes, we are taking round figure 47,000. 47,000 will be a support, but still I'm not jumping at this level before breaking this 47,850. This is 47,850. First nifty bank has to break it, and this is not looking very tough for the nifty bank, as market is falling continuously. So 47,850 nifty bank may break even next week also. We have to watch it. But yes, after breaking this 47,850, immediately this nifty bank will go to the 47,000 around. So Nifty bank is little bit less negative, we can say, but yes, it is also falling continuously. Here it has shown some good recovery, but could not sustain this, and again started falling consecutively. और अगर निफ्टी 50 का देखें तो इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड मोर देन 15, मीन्स अराउंड 16% fall in nifty 50 is already happened, and we see the nifty bank, there is also around 15 sorry 12-13% fall from the all time high already done. And here means 12-13%, yes. Nobody knows when this scenario is going to become good. We don't know. We have to be patient in this scenario. There is no FOMO in jumping in the market to buy the stock. Yes, you can buy the fundamentally strong stock. At least now you can start investing if you have not invested till now. But yes, abhi still you have to see some pain in market, and you have to wait and watch for the fundamentally strong stock only. I'm not talking about small cap and mid cap and every here and there stock. I'm talking the good stock. I'm talking about the good stock only. You can start investing after seeing these level just I have mentioned. You have to check where the market is taking making bottom and taking reversal. I will definitely update about it कि market में कोई reversal आ रहा है कि नहीं, as I always keep updating on my weekly videos about the index level, and accordingly I will definitely update. But you have to see all these scenario, and you have to be careful not uh, uh, not to be in FOMO, and be patient. Maybe you have lost your all profit, or maybe your portfolio will be in a red, it will be in down, it will be down. But yes, the good market, the good time of course will come very soon. So I will discuss the nifty bank level uh, discussed that the Nifty Bank level for the next week support 47,850. After breaking this 47,000, and resistance is of course 49,600. Uh, yes. So this is all about the stock market in detail I can discuss. And yes, you have to be patient, and you have to be more careful also. And I will repeat the level again. Nifty 50 support 21,800, and resistance 22,500, and nifty bank support 47,850, and then 47,000, resistance of course 49,600. Just like and share the video for the more reach, and subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update and index levels update and nifty updates, nifty analysis, and all about the stock market in one video. Signing off.